We are now going to look at osmosis in animal cells and osmosis in plant cells. This is a red blood cell. It is an animal cell. On the inside, the solution is solution A, and on the outside, in the external medium of the cell, we have solution B. In the case where solution B is isotonic to solution A, which means they have the same water potential, we have no net movement of water into or out of the cell. When we have solution B being hypertonic to solution A, do you remember what hypertonic means? It means it has a higher concentration of solutes, which means it has a lower water potential. So here, solution B has a lower water potential than solution A. So what do you expect will happen? What will happen is water will exit the red blood cell. It will go from solution A to solution B, and as a result, the red blood cell will lose volume. It will shrivel and shrink. And what happens if we have solution B being hypotonic to solution A? Hypotonic means it has less solutes, so it has a higher water potential. What happens is water will slow down its water potential gradient and it will enter the red blood cell, and so the red blood cell will increase in volume, and if enough water enters, it might actually burst. So this is osmosis along animal cells. Now let's look at plant cells. So this is a plant cell, and this is the external medium of the plant cell. In the plant cell, we have water being stored inside of the central vacuole. So if we have isotonic solution B, we will have no net movement of water. If we have hypertonic solution B, the cell will lose water, just like what was happening with the animal cell, and the cytoplasm will shrink, and as you can see here, it is moving away from the cell wall. So the plant wilts and dies. This is what happens if you place plants in solutions that are hypertonic. Now, if we place the plant in a hypotonic solution, water will enter the plant and the vacuole will expand in volume, and this will push on the cell wall. However, the cell wall protects the plant cell from bursting by pushing back. And so the plant cells will swell, but they won't burst because the cell wall protects them from bursting. So this is osmosis in animal cells as well as plant cells.